tabi ka, baka mas...
Kay Kuya Aldrin sa tanggal. Kuya Michael. Please! Come here, baby. Sit beside me. Bye-bye. Pinabibili, inom. Aray, bakit kinukuha mo na agad sa akin?
Thank you.
Daya ka dyan.
Siyempre, tatay ko po.
Do you want one?
Ibili daw ba sila ng biko? Marami daw doon kasi si Kuya bumili ng biko doon.
Ano ba to?
Naka-play na.
Naka-play na ba yan?
Hello. Nasa people of the earth.
Tingin! Hi! Talagang ano eh. Kulit! Oh, yun nasa kusina, kaway-kaway.
HR department. Brown.
I like that. Yeah, me too. You wake up in the morning.
Kadyo, ilan ang anak ni Kanuno?
Hindi pa yan. Lima, puro babae.
Say hi to my vlog.
Na-miss ko si Mr. Pares. What an amazing.
Oh, nalaglag na naman ni Wancho.
Si Wancho talaga.
Oh, wait lang po yan.
Kasi,
Wala.
sabi ko po na to, pang mayaman natin. Di ba patagyuan natin?
I love you, Kaden.
Ayun na. We're here. Babalik. Wala sisigaw.
Hey.
Beach
Okay, nakikita niyo yan. Hey, okay tayo.
Sige! Yan!
Sige, Biel! Inaano mo na agad, ano mo? Inaano mo na.
Yung dog.
Get those dogs away. Malamang.
Hinihintay pa.
Meron ba?
Hinihintay.
Tingin ka lang doon. Tingin ka lang doon. Tingin ka lang
Pero
doon.
parang
Tingin
mas
ka lang doon.
maalon yung...
Tingin ka lang doon. Tingin ka
Sabi
lang
parang
doon.
mas maalon nung nakaraan.
Get the J's
Kasi
wet.
maririnig dito palang maririnig mo yung alon.
No, my kicks.
Pero mataas pa rin natin.
Paano yung turo ko sa inyo dalawa, boy?
Adel.
Sali. Sali.
Boy Sigma.
Ano mo kay Dylan, napakalabo. Tingin.
Di ba, sino yung mga naka-iPhone? Sila mag-picture.
Oo, yan din naman kay Dylan.
Oh, di ba?
Hindi kasi malinis yung ano niya, eh.
Game.
Ano ba yan?
Yes, may naglalabas.
Sige.
Pero pagpapunta na.
Hello, guys! Hello, guys!
Ah. Game.
Ano?
Eto.
Mga tropa ko. Diba, ako lang mag-isa dati. Ayun ako. Ito na, buhanggang boy. Ayun na, mga tropa.
Hello po!
Mga tao nakakali po.
Tara dito, pareho mo to. Wait, tawag.
Okay, room reveal.
Uy, room tour. Guys,
tour.
100,000 likes, room tour ni Tita. Yay!
Ay, kanino to? 11. Bukas na.
Babombahin natin yung kwarto na to. 1 million likes, magpaplanta ako ng bomba dyan.
Ay!
Uy, wag. Atin na ba yan? Uy,
Joke lang! Ala!
Birthday sir.
tara baba. Ganda nun, ano dun oh.
Ay, kay Marisa pala yun. Ay, ito pala.
Let's go, guys!
So,
So, ito nga pala, guys. Ito na yung room natin.
Teka lang, pakita mo to.
papasok.
Ano, hindi.
Dali, Dylan, ikaw.
Tara, mga
ang dali.
rating na tayo.
Di, sabihin mo yung kanina.
Tara, samahan.
100,000
Ay,
likes.
pakita mo ito.
Tour ng ano ni Tita.
Ay, tara, samahan niyo ako. Kasama ko kayo. Bro, ano kayo? Team, ano team natin?
Team.
Team. Tara dito.
Team. Sige, go. Dali na.
Teka na, nahiya na. Dapat kasi dire-diretso yun.
Go.
Tara, lumabas. Tara, samahan natin. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Ay, Tito Michael! Hey! What's up from the Philippines? Oh, yeah! We're big fans!
Naku, lumabas na kayo. So, sakit kayo sa ulo. Come on. Go.
Kasi po, parang nangangamba po kami. Kasi po, marami po ka napapanasa sa content. May multo po ba dito? May multo. Wala multo! Yay! Walang multo!
Wait lang, paano tayo
Kala ko ano sasabihin.
makaka-ghost hunting tayo ngayon?
Grabe, sa kanya niyo patanong eh. Siyempre, hindi na sasabihin. Oo. Mamaya na lang po. Baka makakita ko.
Uuwi na lang po pala kami. What do we want? Food. When do we need it? Now. What do we want? Food. When do we need it? Now. What do we want? Food. When do we need it? Now. What do we want? Food. When do we need it? Now. What do we want? Food. When do we need it?
Masaya to si Dina din masaya kasama hindi magulo rin yun. Inayapan na yung tahimik na sila kapat na nakaraan.
Tubig na.
Number 28.
Yan. Dalawa lang tayo.
Jeff, tiran mo kami ng parang saan.
Ako, tanali.
Kaya lang, may sisip ko lang kusina.
Wow!
Say hello. Ah, oo nga pala. Sandali ate, dito. Lalagay ko sa pa. Yan na. Kamatis. Hindi, mamaya. Pagkano, doon na lang. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma. Ay. Yung isa doon.
Uy,
Isa to.
what ko din? Dapat maangas lang. Tara.
Ito na po yung behind the scenes.
Dapat ako na. Gangbang ko to. Let's go, gangbang. What do we want? Food! When do we need it?
No!
What do we want? Food! When do we need it?
No!
What do we want? Food! When do we need it?
10 million likes i-expose ko yung Mob Squad.
Ikaw.
Mga walang hiya dito.
The Mob Squad is a mobile game.
Rice and relleno. Rice lang 1 to ito.
Kasi asawa ko.
Kuya, iba naman. Kasi yun, isikay.
Oy, tingnan
Hindi,
nyo.
ibig sabihin parang
Or still water plus those who know.
Inumin nyo yan. $10 million.
ano dito, open siya. Kaya ano, pagka-swimming nyo, di ba ganyan pala kalalim yung patinda dito.
Sige, picture daw, Jarel. Kanino camera maganda? Kay dito eh, picture ko naka-iPhone. Para makapag-change DP naman. New Year, new me.
Sa amin, may pamit sila sa amin.
Kala ko yung magpapakalga ka. Meron doon, Ricasco.
May kaso ko ba doon?
Oo, Ricasco yun.
Di pupunta ng Maguri sa may urbing na doon. Kasi nasa dito sa atin, sa may tulos. O, sa may lumos, pupunta yun. Ah, sorry. Dito ka dito sa palengke.
Saan?
Doon na sa sasakyan.
Saan ba yung sasakyan?
Doon siya magpaparke. Hindi pala natin naplakaan. Palengke. Naigat ka baka maalaga ka dito.
Hindi, may number na motor. Hindi. Hindi daw siya maalaga. Ay, labubo. Pakita ko yung labubo. Labubo.
Tingin Jaren.
250 yan.
Ito man sa taglas. Ano malambot ito?
Ayan. Ayan, kunin mo.
Wala po kayo. Ito.
Okay, copyright.
Wala na, umikot lang. umikot lang. Tapping pa eh.
No.
Okay, Jeff, sali ka ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, guys!
Embrace the moment.
Right. Dito. Hey, dito dyan.
Ano, mag-pray na.
Ginawa ng dalawa.
Ayun, pwede pwede.
Nako, Kuya Jeff.
Naligaw. Oo. Go.
Hindi na ako. Hindi ako.
O, tara na. Kuha na kayo. Yung large na.
Thank you for sunshine.
Part 2 of getting taco.
Pulang-pula yung mata.
Parang last time.
Large ka, kuya. Ah, massive. Ba't may hati yung ano? Basta. Yung hati mo.
Ilan yan?
Talaga. Kayo, kayo. Sa mama mo, kung iti-charge sa mama mo, kung ano mo. Drake daw, dalan nyo.
Ano na ako nagdalawa? Para kay Kuya. We're gonna be like that.
No, sa atin pa rin. Ano pa rin yan?
Ito nga pala, yung iniinom ko kagabi, kaya nakatulog ako na maaga. Ang tawag dito ay still water.
Still one.
For those who know lang,
Sulo.
parang sa mga skibidi sigma, parang nagturuan. Tingnan nyo. Nag-ano rin sila na palay ko.
Mangoes. Si Kuya Diban.
Yes, it's true guys.
Come on.
Yan. Yan mo.
Iniwan po niya. Sabi daw po niya, iiwan niya eh.
Saan may iniwan?
Sa ano po, sa hotel.
I got sand in between my toes.
Uy, wag kang gigilid, baka mahila ka ng ano. Wag, dinilag, dinilag. Ayan o, Jody, o, tinan mo, inabot o.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light. And I really wanna know, if I could figure out where to go. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting wings to fly. Sometimes and start from the ground. I really wanna know, really wanna know if I never figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Uy, naman! Oy!
Wow!
Kunin mo, Ana! Inaatag na ako
Even if the
mo,
sky
Ana!
is falling down.
Another one.
Inaatag na ako ni Mana!
Sky is falling down.
Dig your foot in the sand so you don't get wood. Oy!
Good morning, Ray. Look at Tito Michael. He's already swimming.
He can't resist na. Tara na. Hindi kayo nag-swim. So,
Meron ako.
ako din, hindi ako nag-swim.
Walang yan sa calmer. Doon eh, mas calm doon. Sa tabi.
Driving through
More calmer than there.
won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know
Huwag malakas yung wave. Ilagay mo yung isang
if I will ever figure
Ayun na!
out where the
Ayun na!
road goes.
Lakas niyan.
Mukha dade.
Even
Huwag
if
kami
I'm
dali.
falling down, I will keep on searching for my
Say hi
highs.
to the camera.
Huwag kami dade.
Oh, you
You
say
can
hi
say
to the
I lost my
camera.
mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
I didn't see that.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free.
Okay, talo na naman ang Pilipinas. Okay. Ayun na, laban na. Dito naman po tayo sa kitchen department. Ano po niluluto nyo?
Maniluluto mo na, uy. Ay, adobong daga.
Adobong daga. Bakit po naging daga?
Sinigang. Sinigang na daga.
Daga, bakit po daga?
Favorite daw ni Princess.
Yan. Picture daw po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
No telling where it goes.
Okay.
Driving
Move along.
through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights.
Hindi, sila po ang nag-i-sweet. Picture. Another one. 1, 2, 3.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
No. No.
Jumping from cliffs so high,
Bye, Biel.
trusting our wings to fly.
See you tomorrow.
We're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And
The sun will go. Yan.
Papakulo kami ng gatas. Inumin namin to 1 million likes.
even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Patugok everywhere.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on
Ang
holding my
patugok.
head high. Even if the sky is falling down,
With Dylan.
even if the sky
Now,
is falling
sir.
down, the sky is falling down.
Ba't parang humihinga siya? Zoom in on that. Cooking with Dylan. Boy.
Oh. Si Dylan ka ba?
Oo.
Bakit ka na dito?
Cooking with Dylan.
Okay with Dylan lang.
Down,
Oh, he's your apprentice.
the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
Alam niyo guys, it's all about family. It's all about loving your family.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga viewers mo?
Mahal na mahal ko ang aking noodles.
Yan, ayos mo.
Ito ang
Ayan.
guitarist natin.
Sa mga nagmamahal sa'yo sa Mob Squad.
Life is a
Mob Squad family.
winding road,
Ano mensahe mo?
Ito guys,
telling where
guitarist
it
natin. For ngayon, maingay yung gitara niya.
days and nights.
Tawag kasi nila sa akin.
Won't stop for traffic.
Ngayon, Dylan, kailangan mo nang lagyan ng grated cheese. G-grated mo siya mismo dito.
Naglagay na siya. I-grade siya.
G-grate mo siya.
Magiging grade siya guys.
Sundan natin.
Yun! Sundan natin. Yun!
Itong minamahal na keso,
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Yun! Magkukuk boy!
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
This is Kuya Dylan's cooking.
Your first cooking video.
Isa lang?
Dalawa. Diyos ko. Nata.
Jumping from cliffs so high,
Hindi kaya buong. Tara
trusting
guys,
our
itapon
wings
na
to
O, tatapon na daw.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Wait down!
And I
Nalagay na lahat? Sorry, no? How about yung isa?
Ito, favorite kasi si
Basin? Sige. Lagyan mo, Biel. Tignan natin kung ano lasa kapag nilagyan ng ganyan. Pag hindi masarap, kasalanan ni Biel.
keep on searching for my
Ayan, meron na siyang green.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
Harbor Point. Okay, nasan yun? What my name, boy?
Okay guys, saan po tayo nasa Harbor Point?
What's up, people of there in the Philippines?
Goodbye, Zambales. Hello.
Hello, Harbor. They don't know I have multiple dynamite sticks in my...
Bumalik.
Oh my goodness,
Bumalik.
Wow.
Lara mo, Planet Sports.
Planet Sports.
Restroom. Saan?
Si Washo.
Wancho, ikaw na. Try to vlog. Ha? Huwag ko siya tumakita.
Ano? Na-excited agad.
Si Coco. Hapay. Garo din mga pelikula sa Hapay. Ha? Asa sila? Vlogger tayo. Vlogger Wancho. Restroom. Tara, restroom.
Ayusin kasi.
Nila, wag.
Wait lang, ayusin mo yan, ano, ayusin.
Ito mama. Yan mo, i-extend mo.
Tara si Arthur, guys. Uy, Yodi! Wag, masyado malaki.
Ano na?
Malit lang. Tara, bathroom review!
Bathroom review with Wancho.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see
Pasok!
the world in action, what we can be.
Kuya Jeffrey!
No
Ikaw na rin,
distractions,
pasok!
we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Paano? Saan ako? Paano?
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
It's time! Yes, kuya, you can do it.
Okay na?
Tabi-tabi